On my video about hammered nickel versus hammered stainless kitchen sinks, user Margot Bessie 425 asks, "Hi, I have the Native Trails hammered nickel plated over copper sink. I need tips for caring for it." Margot, that's a great question. I'm glad you asked, and we're going to get into it right now. Welcome back, Remodelites. I'm Dave with Remodel Media, and since 2005, I've helped people put together kitchens, baths, outdoor kitchens, and various other home renovation projects. I'm on a mission to eliminate remodel regret, and I do that by bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and products for your home remodel. So if you're new here, follow along. We'll have some fun. Now, folks, caring for your brushed nickel hammered copper sink isn't rocket science. The key here is maintenance. Just like your morning coffee and daily fiber intake, consistency is key. Just like your first date with Chadley, that guy from college, dazzling, charming, and he wanted to make the best impression. But alas, dirt and gunk might show up unannounced, just like Chadley's red flags. Like maybe his job is beach and he's only looking for a long-term, long-distance, low-commitment, casual girlfriend. No worries though. In both cases, a squirt bottle filled with a mix of warm water and gentle dish soap is your trusty wingman. Squirt Chadley in the eyes, then give your sink a gentle scrub using the soft side of a sponge. As for water spotting, there are a lot of municipalities where water quality is not great, and water spotting may be an issue, and soap might not cut it. Calcium, magnesium might be good for your body, but they're not so great for your fixtures. For something like this, I'm going to suggest a mixture of 50-50 vinegar and water used as a spray cleaner. Should be sufficient in most cases. Now, folks, tarnish might try to sneak in, but we're not letting it crash our sink party. Remember, the metal underneath is still copper, which means turning a little green, especially around the drain, is possible. You should, of course, avoid using abrasive cleaners and scrubbers because in your zeal, you might actually remove the brushed nickel finish. One cleaner that I like to recommend is Barkeeper's Friend. You can find it online or at the grocery store next to the Comet. It actually looks like Comet, but it's less abrasive. Now, I'm sure at this point, a good number of you are probably wondering, Dave, I've got my sink nice and shiny, now what? I don't want to be polishing it every day. And to that I say, that's the maid's problem. Just kidding. Although I have had customers respond to me that way before. But seriously, you can take an extra step once your sink is clean to prevent buildup. You can wax it. No, not like that. Like your car. A basic Carnauba beeswax food safe oil blend like Copper Sink Care Sink Wax by Hammermarc can work wonders. And you should only have to do that every month or so. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.